Launch of McDonald's. On May 15, 1940, brothers Richard, Dick, and Maurice Mac McDonald opened the first restaurant with the name McDonald's in San Bernardino, California. Originally, the establishment was a typical drive-in of the era, where car hops served food to customers' cars, and the menu was extensive, focused mainly on barbecue. Although the business was profitable, the brothers realized that most of their profits came from hamburgers, and that the car hop service was slow and inefficient. It was this observation that led to the true historical revolution, which would occur 8 years later, when they closed temporarily to totally overhaul the concept, creating the Speedee Service System. The 1940 founding is the company's ground zero, the moment when the name that would become synonymous with globalization and fast food appeared for the first time. However, it is important to distinguish the McDonald brothers' operation from the empire, later built by Ray Kroc. The brothers focused on kitchen efficiency, drawing inspiration from Henry Ford's industrial assembly lines to standardize food production. Hamburgers, fries, and milkshakes were made the same way, quickly and at low cost. They removed plates and silverware, introduced self-service, and focused on volume. The San Bernardino restaurant became a resounding local success, attracting curious people from all over the country who wanted to see how they managed to sell hamburgers for 15 cents. The opening on May 15, 1940, planted the seed of a cultural transformation in the way the world eats, prioritizing speed, consistency, and convenience. Leave a comment if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.